Chameleons are truly remarkable creatures, instantly recognizable by their unique physical traits. Their ability to change color is perhaps their most famous characteristic, but they possess other fascinating adaptations as well. From their independently moving eyes to their projectile tongues, chameleons are a testament to the wonders of evolution. They have captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. These reptiles are found primarily in Africa, Madagascar, and southern Europe, with some species also inhabiting parts of Asia and the Middle East. They occupy a variety of habitats, from rainforests and woodlands to deserts and scrublands. Their diverse adaptations allow them to thrive in these varied environments. Chameleons are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lives in trees. Their zygodactylous feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward, provide a secure grip on branches. Their prehensile tails also aid in climbing and balance. Their slow, deliberate movements and incredible camouflage make them masters of stealth. They are perfectly adapted for a life of hunting insects and other small prey in their arboreal world. Their unique characteristics make them one of the most fascinating reptile groups on the planet. The ability to change color is the hallmark of chameleons. Contrary to popular belief, they don't change color solely to blend in with their surroundings. While camouflage is certainly a function, color change also plays a role in communication, thermoregulation, and expressing mood. Chameleons change color by adjusting the arrangement of specialized cells called chromatophores within their skin. These cells contain pigments that reflect different wavelengths of light. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can alter the colors they display. Color change can signal dominance, submission, or readiness to mate. Bright, vibrant colors often indicate aggression or courtship displays. Duller colors may signal submission or a desire to avoid confrontation. Temperature also influences color change. Darker colors absorb more heat, helping chameleons warm up in cooler temperatures. Lighter colors reflect heat, helping them stay cool in warmer conditions. This ability to regulate body temperature through color change is crucial for their survival. Another remarkable adaptation of chameleons is their independently moving eyes. Unlike most animals, whose eyes move in coordination, chameleons can rotate each eye independently. This grants them a nearly 360-degree field of vision. This unique ability allows them to scan their surroundings for prey and predators simultaneously. One eye can focus on a potential meal, while the other keeps watch for danger. This gives them a significant advantage in their arboreal environment. When a chameleon spots prey, it can align both eyes forward to gain binocular vision. This provides depth perception, crucial for accurately judging the distance to their target. The precision of their eye movements is essential for successful hunting. The independent eye movement also aids in camouflage. By keeping one eye fixed on a potential predator, a chameleon can remain motionless while still monitoring the threat. This allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Chameleons are renowned for their long, sticky tongues, which they use to capture prey with remarkable speed and accuracy. Their tongues can be up to twice the length of their bodies, and they can launch them with incredible force. The tongue is propelled by a complex system of muscles and elastic tissues. When a chameleon spots prey, it rapidly extends its tongue, which is tipped with a sticky pad. The pad adheres to the prey, allowing the chameleon to reel it back into its mouth. The speed and power of the chameleon's tongue strike are truly impressive. It can reach its target in as little as 0.07 seconds, accelerating at up to 50 G. This rapid strike ensures that the prey has little chance of escape. The sticky tip of the tongue is covered in mucus, which further enhances its adhesive properties. This allows chameleons to capture a wide variety of prey, including insects, spiders, and even small lizards. Section 5. Habitats and Distribution, a Global View. Chameleons are found primarily in Africa, Madagascar, and southern Europe, with some species also inhabiting parts of Asia and the Middle East. Madagascar is a particular hotspot of chameleon diversity, with over half of all known species found there. They occupy a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests and cloud forests to dry savannas and even deserts. Different species have adapted to specific environments, exhibiting variations in size, color, and behavior. Rainforest chameleons are often brightly colored and arboreal, while desert species tend to be more subdued in color and terrestrial. Their adaptations reflect the specific challenges of their respective habitats. The geographical distribution of chameleons reflects their evolutionary history and the movement of continents over time. Their concentration in Madagascar and Africa suggests an ancient origin on these landmasses. Section 6. Hunting and Diet, Masters of Disguise. Chameleons are primarily insectivores, feeding on a variety of insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Their camouflage and stealthy movements make them highly effective hunters. They patiently stalk their prey, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. When the opportunity arises, they launch their sticky tongues with lightning speed, capturing their unsuspecting victims. Larger chameleon species may also occasionally consume small vertebrates, such as lizards and geckos. Their diet varies depending on the availability of prey in their specific habitat. Their ability to remain motionless for extended periods allows them to ambush prey effectively. They are masters of disguise, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Section 7. Reproduction and Life Cycle, from egg to adult. Chameleon reproduction varies depending on the species. Most chameleons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. However, some species are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After mating, female chameleons lay their eggs in burrows or nests. The incubation period varies depending on the species and environmental conditions. Once the eggs hatch, the young chameleons are independent from birth. Ovoviviparous species retain their eggs inside their bodies until they hatch. The young are born live and fully developed. This reproductive strategy is often seen in species that live in colder climates. Parental care is minimal in chameleons. Once the eggs are laid or the young are born, they are left to fend for themselves. They must quickly learn to hunt and avoid predators. Section 8. Threats and Conservation, Protecting the Chameleons. Chameleons face a number of threats, including habitat loss, deforestation, and the pet trade. As human populations expand and natural habitats are destroyed, chameleons are losing their homes. Deforestation is a major threat, particularly in Madagascar, where many chameleon species are endemic. The clearing of forests for agriculture and logging is destroying their habitat at an alarming rate. The illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat. Chameleons are captured from the wild and sold as pets, often in poor conditions. This can decimate wild populations and disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems. Climate change is also emerging as a significant threat. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect chameleon populations by altering their habitats and disrupting their breeding cycles. Section 9. The Importance of Chameleon Conservation. Conserving chameleons and their habitats is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. Chameleons play an important role in their environments, both as predators and prey. They help control insect populations, preventing outbreaks of pests. They also serve as a food source for other animals, such as birds and snakes. Their presence contributes to the overall balance of the ecosystem. Protecting chameleon habitats also benefits other species that share these environments. Conserving forests and other natural areas helps preserve biodiversity and maintain the ecological integrity of these regions. Supporting conservation organizations and promoting sustainable practices can help protect chameleons and their habitats for future generations. Education and awareness are key to ensuring their survival. Section 10. Conclusion: Chameleons in a changing world. Chameleons are fascinating creatures that have adapted to a wide range of environments. Their unique abilities, such as color changing, independent eye movement, and projectile tongues, make them truly remarkable reptiles. However, they face increasing threats from human activities, making conservation efforts essential. By understanding the challenges they face and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure the survival of these extraordinary creatures and the preservation of their unique habitats for generations to come. Their presence enriches our planet and reminds us of the wonders of the natural world. Protecting them is not only our responsibility, but also a privilege.